Okay, we are on the way to the city center to meet our Indian friend and to show you street city life of Lviv in spring. I have already mentioned that Lviv is famous for its performing culture. Young people are constantly performing near the Opera State House and they enjoy every second. We met Smith at autumn 2022. At that time we just moved to Lviv, we're desperately lonely, hard winter on the way, and reading the news only makes me concerned about the future. I was using Instagram at this time and that app did only one good thing for me, found this guy. As most of the days it brings only frustration to the user, I believe, by showing in realistic polished light. Unfortunately, when we meet, Smith also experienced difficulties. Due to the war, his previous business collapsed and now he is searching for the new idea and new business to put a food on the table.
Right now, my business is the Asian people who want to come Europe with legally. I will provide you right now the legally work permit, insurance, appointment and visa with legal way, and in 2 months time period, everything in legal way. Who want to come Europe, we can provide everything with legal way.
But not only Smith is thinking how to start over. Thousands of Ukrainians have lost their jobs due to the occupation or crisis. And this street market is one of many street markets of Ukraine where people bring their Soviet Union stuff to resell it to tourists or collectioners to have just some extra cash. And if you dig in deeply, sometimes you can find here treasure. This is one of my favorite places in Lviv, so let's get inside. Did you like this church?
Yes, I like this church. This church was like a Roman Catholic and a 700 years ago old church, and I really like. I never been inside. I first time inside and I was really glad to see this place.
Mysterious dungeons are located under Dominical Cathedral. Experts believe that these may be fragments of Prince Levi's place. Here you will be shown what the torture chamber and Helmin's monk cell look like.
This historical place, 500 years ago, 400 years ago, and we can show some Polish architecture and Greek architecture and Lviv architecture, many old places we can see, like history still alive in Lviv.
Yet not only history lives in Lviv. Do you know this guy? This is Yevgeny Klopotenko. He is Ukrainian chief, restaurator, public activist and researcher of Ukrainian cuisine, and also initiator of inclusion of Ukrainian borscht in the list of intangible heritage of UNESCO. And currently we are in the restaurant that was co-founded by this guy. He has 2 restaurants, and the first one is in Kiev, second is in Lviv, and he called it social contribution in these difficult times of war. Thanks to opening it, they created 15 new jobs for Lviv residents and those who were forced to move to Lviv due to the war. In addition, the restaurant provides meals to those who are unable to pay. It has 2 menus in this restaurant, the main menu and free menu number 2. Everyone who can't afford to pay can ask for it. It includes a main dish, salad and cup of coffee. We have asked Smith how salad tastes for him, and he confessed that he have already tried it in the uni. When he was a student, he worked as a blue-collar when experienced financial difficulties and said that salad helped him to be fulfilled with the calories for all day. We have finished our walk in Drunk Cherry Bar and drink some nalivka. I was grateful to Smith for his honesty and truthful story of the hardships that we all experiencing in war-torn country. And grateful for have friends that support Ukraine and want to witness its prosperity. And my special gratitude is to you for watching this video and do not abandon my channel. And of course, I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.